Hey y'all, welcome to this video. Hopefully the music isn't too loud. Let me turn it down a little bit. Okay, so this video is gonna be a little different. It's basically gonna be like a full get ready with me. So let me do a little explaining. So it's a few days before my born day. It's the 20 something. I don't know. My birthday is on Sunday. Oh, it's the 25th. Today's the 25th. So it's a few days before my born day, and I always do like a little photo shoot and like myself. Like I just set up my camera, I have a backdrop and like some kind of concept idea that I wanted to do. I usually just do that, and then I like post the photos on my born day. I don't know why I always do this, but I'll insert the photos. I've been doing it since like 16, 15, I don't know. So it's just like a fun creative thing that I like to do, because I do like taking photos, editing photos and stuff like that, and just like, you know, a little creative thing. I set up this time, I think this is probably the most elaborate that I've done, like setting wise. So the theme is like pink, if you can't tell. So I have like this backdrop, I bought some fabric. I'll go through everything. I guess I'll show you everything a little later. I did my hair last night, and I was going to film like another hair vlog, but I didn't do it last night. I did it yesterday, but I was like in the zone of like cleaning and stuff, and I was like, okay, it's time to do my hair, and then I just started doing it, and I was like halfway done by the time I remembered. So I just did like a half up, half down with the clip-ins, and I wand curled it, but they kind of got smushed, so I might like touch them up so I can show that. But a full video, like more hairstyling videos and stuff, are coming August because it's back to school season, so I'll be doing some of those videos right after my born day is over. So yeah, I'll probably upload this the day after my born day or something like that. But so this is going to be like a complete get ready with me for my birthday shoot that I always love to do myself. It's honestly more fun for me to do it by myself than if I like went and had a photo shoot. If you're a person like me who literally enjoys doing every part of like anything creative, then you might understand what I mean. So I think it's makeup time. I have a set of nails to put on. I have matching earrings. I have a pink light. Let's see what that looks like. It's gonna be so good. I'm excited. Okay, so yeah, it's makeup time. I don't know what makeup look I want to do. I don't know. Let's see. Let us see. Okay, I recently kind of really finished my room. I'm so excited. I like cleaned, I wiped down all my surfaces and stuff, but I finished the brick wall. I actually haven't uploaded any of those get ready with me that like, I was talking about how my room wasn't done. Y'all might see those, y'all might not. And that's the setup over there. That's my bed. So I did my set of nails. If y'all didn't know, I'm a nail tech. I'm a licensed nail tech. And I am starting like a line of press-ons. So I've been like making them for myself, testing out like the designs and stuff that I want for the first drop that I plan in like mid-August. And so yeah, I just made like my birthday set. I did this set for the shoot that I'm gonna have for the photo shoot, and then I have another set that I'm gonna wear this weekend. So yeah, this is it. I'll show you a closer look because I want to get a photo, because I want to start posting my nails on my page, like I'm at my main page, you know, like the nail fees like that. And then I just have I love two different hand sets. I do it all the time, so I have two different hands. One's like blinged out and one's plain. So they look like this, and I'm gonna put them on after I finish my makeup. But so cute, right? I did these earrings last night. I put the little fuzzy stuff on some hoop earrings. I hot glued it to have matching earrings like that. Literally, this was one of my favorite pair of hoop earrings, but I just got them from Claire, so it was no big deal. And then I just hot glued it on around, and I just like laid it on like that, so it's not really on there that well. So I'm just gonna sit these down. I don't know what kind of makeup that I want to do. I was thinking just like something not too much, like not basic, but I was thinking maybe graphic liner or something, but I don't have pink. I need to clean my brushes. I need to clean my brushes before this weekend. I'm thinking just like a cutesy, like Barbie-esque look, not too much. We don't want the videos to be too long, so I won't show y'all every single thing of the makeup, but a good portion. Is my shirt dirty? If you see green stuff, that's my face wash. When I wash my face, sometimes got on there, and it's all wrinkly. Sorry. Yeah. Also, let's look at my tooth gem. Can you see it? My family thinks I'm crazy every time I get this. I got it a few months ago, and I just got it again. They're all like, it's so funny. My parents are funny. But yeah, they think I'm crazy. Anyways, it's funny. Moisturizer. So I'm not sure where the concept of this came from. Well, actually, it started with, I have these straw glasses. Like, if you ever seen them on TV, like the straw that goes around your eyes, and like you're sucking it, and it's like traveling. I just opened it, and it works. It's so cool. It started with that, and I was gonna do like that concept, and then it kind of reminded me of like just like being a kid, like childish is a negative word, like juvenile, I don't know, like being a kid again. So then I think I thought of like just like something fun. I'm not sure where the color pink came from, but it just happened, like just doing like complete pink everything. And then like the hairstyle, I think I was gonna do like 2 ponytails maybe first or something like that. Yeah, it started with the glasses though, and then everything else came. I'm not sure exactly how, but I think it's gonna turn out really good. The last photo shoot like this that I did for myself, it wasn't even for my birthday, it was just for fun. When I had like a lot of time on my hands after I had left UT, and I had like flowers and butterflies that I hung in my dorm, and I used them. I'll insert the photo, and in like a little shoot, and I did the color lighting again, and yeah, it was just really fun. I'm just gonna see. It's weird that I wonder if I'm almost out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the blush, and it looks like this. It's like pink, it matches, and I was cleaning it up, and so, oh, maybe I should do a glossy lid. Glossed up. What do y'all think? I think it's cute. Just need a lip. I don't know what I should do. Alright. Okay, I did pink freckles. Alrighty. So, like I was saying, this is half up, half down, and I literally like parted my hair half up, half down, and then like put the back in a bun, and then just clipped it on top. So if you can see, like the track is still right there. I didn't even put any hair to take it out. And then I put my hair, I just like put my hair in a ponytail, twisted it, and then clipped these around my hair. So like put it in a bun and then clipped it around. So yeah, I have little feathers flying everywhere. And then I just wand curled this hair. I probably wasn't the best decision, especially the way I did it, but we'll see how it turns out once I want to wear these curly again. But yeah, let's see. I use this curling iron. Alrighty, hair done. So I don't really have anything pink, and I decided on pink last minute, kinda, but I thought that would be too pink anyways. I do have some pink things, but I thought I would contrast it with the, yeah, that's exactly what I thought it would do. Like, yeah. So I have this top, it's from Zara, and then I have this bodysuit little top thing that I was gonna put on top of it. So let me show y'all. Let me see if I can do that snap thing. Okay, and okay, so come into my palace, girl. Nails. I'm gonna do my nails, which won't take very long. Here's the nail set that I just made, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue them on so y'all can see how that works. Okay, so just finished the nails, and cute. I don't think I'm liking the top on top of the top. I think I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so here's the setup. I'm going for like a super like over the top gaudiness as you can see, but yeah, so I got this fabric from, it's like satin pink fabric from Hobby Lobby, and it was $5 a yard. I got 2 yards, I think, or was it $4? I think it was like $4 a yard. And then these streamers and balloons and little pom-pom things I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is the straw glasses that I'm talking about. I'm gonna do it in a second. And then I have my lights here. This is an umbrella light. And I'm gonna have like this, I think. Well, I also have my softbox light. Wait. My softbox light, and then I put pink tissue paper on it, so it should do that. Isn't that so cool? Like, isn't it? And then I have some balloons. I have some stuck up, and then I have some right here. It's gonna be fun. Like, keeps coming up. So if you haven't seen these photos on Instagram, go to my Instagram and go look at them. I think they're gonna turn out so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was different, but let me know if you like these kinds of like creative processes, DIY things. I used to make videos like these a long time ago. Yeah, I love doing stuff like this. I've always done stuff like this, and if you're interested, just let me know and I can show y'all more of like other things that I like to do, but also hair too. So yeah, that's it. So I'll see y'all later.